I have been successfully trading in the financial markets for quite some time now. But I still think that if I knew these four things when I started my trading journey, it would have saved me at least 3 years of struggle and a lot of money. Hi, it's Daksh here from Forex Monopoly, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the four things I wish I knew in my first year of trading. Understanding these four things and avoiding them will help you save a lot of time, effort, and money. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. The very first thing that I wished I knew was that trading isn't how it's shown to be. I know trading is shown to be like the gold mine where traders just come in and go back with tons of money. But this is so wrong. This is all done by the trading gurus that are only trying to sell their courses, signals and stuff, which is just doing more harm than good. Trading is not at all a get rich quick scheme or a crystal ball kind of thing that is going to get you everything that you need. If you have this rosy picture painted in your mind where you become a trader, sit by the beach while you are just minting money on your laptop, then I really think that you should do something to get along with the reality. The sooner you understand that trading is very different from what it's shown to be, the sooner you understand what trading exactly is, the better your trading journey will turn out to be. Now, the second thing that I wished I knew before I started trading was that once I become a trader, trading wasn't going to become my life, but that it was just going to be a part of my life. Now, this point right over here is super important, and many people do not understand this, and as a result end up depressed and miserable. This thing has happened to me, and as a beginner, I used to keep on looking at the chart day and night, only looking for opportunities, and there was no particular official working time for me, and this in turn made me overtrade and lose a lot of money. And not only this, but many times when my trades didn't go well, which was most of the time initially, I used to cut off from my friends, ditch my workout and a lot of things, and just used to stare at the charts continuously thinking of what could have been done differently. I started having issues with my family, my relationship was not going right because trading started affecting my personal life very quickly. And the thing is, it always worked like that. If you make trading your life, it will affect your personal life, and if there is something wrong with your personal life, it will affect your trading. I got so addicted to trading that I mixed my personal life with it, and I actually started thinking that trading is my life and everything else should revolve around it only. But you need to remember that it's just something that you do, and it is just a part of your life, and it is not your whole life. I finally realized that, worked on it, and made amends right away. And since then, I like to balance my trading life and my personal life properly. If you are going through the same thing, take a step back, separate your personal life from your trading life, draw a thin line between it, and always maintain it. And that's how you are going to become a better trader. Now, moving forward, the next thing is something that is most common issue with everyone out there, and if we stick to it and understand it, I guarantee you it will save you a ton of money right away. But before we move to that, if you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Moving on to the third thing that I wished I knew in the first year of my trading was that I am here to win, of course, but winning in the long term. Again, a very common issue. The problem with trading in financial market is that there are a lot and lots of things going on, and it is very easy to get distracted and lose the long-term vision. Like many times I used to get in trading with a trading plan. I followed it till some point, but then after a couple of losses, or let us say due to greed, I used to lose track of my long-term trading vision, and my trading account used to get ruined away. But after losing my trading account and spending some time on it, like why I lost it, I always used to find out that if I would have stuck to my plan, I would have still been in a lot of profit. And I can guarantee that this thing has happened with you, like almost every one of you watching this video. And if it did, then let me know in the comment section, like what was that thing that happened with you. Now, moving forward, try to understand that trading is a long-term game. And like I always say, in trading, going slow is actually going fast. The thing is, if you are that type of trader trying to become rich quickly, then you will go bust. And I will tell you why is that so. To fulfill that greed of yours, you will start taking riskier trades by risking more than you should. But are you going to win always? No, right? And just when those series of losses hit you, you will go bust. But on the other hand, what does a trader with a long-term vision do? They know that over the long term, the odds and probabilities of them winning are in their favor. And so what they do is they just risk enough so that they can survive and keep going on for a longer term and build wealth for themselves. Like, for an example, let us compare Jesse Livermore and someone like Jim Simmons. If you know about their life stories, they are clear-cut examples of a trader that went bust trying to become rich overnight and a trader playing the long-term game and made billions of dollars. I don't say Jesse didn't make billions. Even Jesse made billions of dollars, but in the end, he lost all of it. Like every single penny, he lost it. And now the last thing that I'm going to talk about in this video. In trading, it's always going to be me versus me or you versus you. I've seen many traders that have just started trading, and every time they have a losing trade, they straight away start blaming the markets, their brokers, and they start saying that everyone is trying to conspire against them. But that thing is not right. When I started trading, that is when I was a beginner, I used to get frustrated, and I used to get frustrated because of lots and lots of things. I would lose it if I lost money in a trade or if I missed a winning trade, and there were a lots of reasons for that. What this frustration would do is it would channel itself and it would affect my psychology, which would then mess up with my trading. I would end up revenge trading or take trades with higher risk just to recoup my losses, and it would get messy at times. And that's when I realized that, damn, I'm not competing with anyone here, and neither is anyone after me for my money. I am my own competitor in this business. And this realization was a game changer for me. And guess what I did after that? I started working towards fixing my mindset and psychology, and that's when I knew that I have taken my trading to a higher level. So these were the 4 things that I wished I knew before I started my trading journey, and I hope you learned a lot from this video. And if you did, then make sure you hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.